Whirly-doo.
From this product, we also not pay for an attorney spokesperson. Effects provided by iMovie. This does not work, so don't buy it. Side effects of misuse are internal stomach bleeding and death.
Are you tired of old trends?
So out with the old, in with the new.
According to the Wright Bat instructions, in 1878, Bishop Milton Wright bought two younger sons a rubber band helicopter. They called it the Bat because of the way its wings looked. When their brothers were older, they made this product. They made it for their nieces and nephews.
It's raining, so it's a perfect day to fly the Whirly-Doo because it's waterproof.